Hi everyone, today I want to introduce my new coffee machine, Qbo by Tchibo. With this coffee machine, I can make coffee grande, cafe, and espresso. This machine is compact in size, so you can place it anywhere you like. The color combination of this machine is also modern and beautiful, making it suitable to place anywhere. Now I want to show you how to make a coffee. First, press the power button on the coffee machine and wait until the light comes on. There are 3 buttons and I can make 3 types of coffee: Cafe Grande, Cafe, and Espresso. I'm going to make a coffee grande now, and the coffee capsule is unique and pretty, shaped like a cube. Lift the coffee machine handle, put in the coffee capsule, and push it down. Then press the coffee grande button. Now I want to drink my nice coffee. Delicious.